do you have any thoughts or suggestions for them outside of smart sensors, collect more data, use the data, that you would suggest as a starting point?
The biggest thing I've always tried to stress to small and medium companies is if you're going to automate, I mean, go and find that real quick win. Find that thing that you can automate right now with existing technologies, and do it. Just get it done. And case in point, one of the things that like the logistics industry really went after early was palletization. I mean, palletization is everyone's doing it. Okay, everyone's building up pallets out of their factories, out of their warehouses. So that technology exists. You can get a palletization robot from any company. I don't care if it's Fanuc, ABB, Yaskawa, Nachi, UR, list goes on and on. You can do that. And there are plenty of providers that can help you get started right away on that kind of stuff. You don't need to be a programmer right now with some of the great stuff that are coming out of some of these no-code companies like Ready Robotics up in Columbus, Ohio, and so many others. I mean, actually, we're starting to see even the big players like ABB and Yaskawa and others get into that kind of thing. So it's out there, and really just do some research, but then start calling some folks. Everyone's out there online. You can find these companies. I mean, just type in, I need a palletizing robot. I bet you will get a bunch of companies that can do that for you right now. So find those low-hanging fruit use cases, and trust me, you can do it. And I know Vlad and Dave, we're going to sort of talk about workforce development a little bit later, but just to maybe sort of start jumping into that realm is we have seen that if for those companies that actually take the risk and go full in and are willing to be trained on this technology, you can do it. Okay, we have taken like the Ready platform, Yaskawa Arms, UR Arms, Ready Robotics, and been able to take folks that have had zero training and taken them to lights out production on CNC machines in 10 days. You can do that less on palletization. But the whole thing is you got to start. You got to just get started. And I say this from the deepest of my heart for everyone. You have a use case. You might not think of it, but you have a task that you can automate right now in your factory. I have not been to a factory yet that I have not seen 2 or 3 tasks or use cases that I can automate right now with existing equipment. But it's just get started. I mean, it's scary, but the whole thing is one of the things I really love about the robotics and automation industry is everyone is so nice. Everyone's right there to help you. But unless you approach them and say, hey, I want to solve this, you're not going to get anywhere. So again, just like how I got on this robotics team of just saying, I'm in, I want to do it. You as a small, medium manufacturer or small or medium warehouse company, just get started. Just find that task and go after it.